I did it! I'm so excited. This marks my 100th video on YouTube. I moved my camera over so that I would have all this lovely space to pick up some awesome visuals. I have made 100 videos through live, through shorts, or through just regular scheduled content, and I'm super excited, although it took a long time to do that, 4 years. But I also have been teaching full-time in a public school, so that's been exhausting. I do this either in the evenings, on the weekends, or on holidays or summer vacation, and I wanted to say thank you, because I wouldn't have over 1,000 subscribers without you guys. I also wouldn't have 800 watch hour minutes a year without you guys. So now I need all of y'all to watch 1 minute of content over the next month, so that way I can hit 4,000 watch hours and then I can get monetized. I think my goal from here is to continue this as a business. I mean, I sell all my products on the side, but it's what making the products makes the content. So, it feeds itself. Honestly, I just like crafting, and I'm going to continue recording what I craft. So that's why it's Shelly Creates It. I know I started out doing line printing, screen printing stuff. So from here, I think I'm basically just going to document what I make, because that seems to be the most enjoyable for me. And if other people find it useful, then that's great for them. And if not, then that's why we have the internet. There's lots of other things you can watch on there. So thank you so much for all of your support, for watching my videos, for liking, for sharing, for commenting. And I can't wait to see you guys in 2023 for my 101st video. So stay tuned for all the great things coming next year, and I hope you guys have a restful rest of your year and a great start to the new year.